And I'm Kirby. And we directed this next play. It's called It's a Bird, It's a Play. It was written by Bianca Alejandro. Yes. This is our first semester directing, and our cast is all new to club theater, and so it was really nice this semester just getting to see them grow and kind of find themselves in club theater and through this play, and it was really nice to just work with all of them. They worked hard, we're really proud. Please enjoy. Woo!
You think they saw us?
No, sweetheart.
I think they saw us, Barb.
No, sweetie, that's all they're running. It's getting to your head.
You think? Oh, Moses.
Okay, let's have a seat right here. Take the silly mask off your head. There we go.
Did you cover the plates on the car?
Uh-huh.
You put mines in the alleyway?
Sure did.
You pack any snacks?
If I ever wonder Werther's original beer. Oh, you know, Keith, other day I heard Jamie call one of these things a glom. Apparently that's what they're called nowadays. Glom. Such a goofy word. Could you believe it? If I didn't know any better, I think it was a baby's toy. Could you imagine Jamie's little girl running around with a Glock? She'd probably put it in her mouth.
They've got the signal going. We've got, 5 minutes?
Less probably. They're very good at what they do, dear.
Well, sure. I could have been too if I had super strength. Would have been real good at what I did.
You are an accountant, dear.
Should we have the money?
No, I don't want them to feel tricked.
That's what this whole thing is, though.
No.
Yes, it is, Barbara. We're using deceit to manipulate them into doing something that we want.
Hush.
By definition, that's a trick.
By definition, you have erectile dysfunction. Anyway, what does it matter? Doesn't Christy have supervision?
That wasn't her. That was Fire Eyes.
Daggersight had laser vision.
You're thinking of Fire Eyes.
Killed by Death Glance?
No, Fire Eyes. Death Glance not Killblade.
Thought Killblink was Fire Eyes.
The name switch?
No, dear. Name switch retired because his power is dumb.
You know what? Killblade did change it into Fire Eyes.
So I was right?
Wrong. Daggersight had supervision.
Then how'd she kill Devil Stare?
He's alive. You're thinking of Halsey.
Is he the brother of Knifelook?
No, Knifelook is the father of Painview.
Okay. So who killed Painview?
Power Squint?
Married to Hurtwatch?
No, married to Griefgaze.
Okay. And who killed Griefgaze?
Bob.
Oh dear, they're coming. That's that.
Here, put your mask on.
Oh, I don't know about that, sweetheart.
What?
It feels sneaky. It doesn't sit right with me.
This isn't. You just held the main teller at gunpoint.
Don't judge, Keith. It isn't Christian.
Not so fast.
They're not running anywhere, dude.
Come again, Lavinia?
That line only works if they're running somewhere.
I highly don't think so.
We had this issue last week with, oh, where do you think you're going?
Nonsense.
He was all, surely the great Superior could not make such a mistake. We were arresting a murderous group of English teachers, honors college, you know how they get, and all we I was right.
I still think it sounds cool.
So, what's the deal with Robbie Bank anyway? Aren't y'all like 80?
Watch your mouth, Missy. We happen to be very young.
Yeah, no, like I super believe that. My friends all call each other Missy.
What business do two senior citizens have pilfering hard-earned funds?
Yeah, didn't y'all do that enough with the housing market? Zing! Political. I just don't know.
Barbara?
What?
No. Jenny.
I'm taking my
Jenny,
mask off.
quiet.
No, it's
Jenny.
happening. Oh, my mask off. Hi, sweeties.
Mom?
How have you been? I'm getting the cops.
Hi, getting the cops. I'm Dad.
Surely we can apprehend these ne'er-do-wells without the police.
It's Mom and Dad. Jamie, drop it.
Getting the cops is gonna look so lame. I'm superior. Titan of Titans, scourge of the skies.
You sure are, sweetheart. I'm not fighting my own parents, Jamie. That's weird.
Well, I'd just like to see you try. I brought you into this world, and I can take you out just like...
That's for the dad joke. Christine, Ellen Wellerstein, what have we said about freezing your father?
That
It's not funny. Okay, but like it is. It's not funny when he's water skiing, and it's not funny now. Okay, but like it is.
I could have lost an arm that day.
Yeah, but you didn't because I leapt out of the boat and swam through the water and saved the day.
Nobody likes to show off, sweetheart.
So, I totally never thought I'd have to ask my parents this, but why did you guys rob a bank?
You never call.
What the fuck?
Watch your mouth, dear.
You blew up a cop car, Mom!
You're always so busy, always running around with your
I'm
friends.
saving the world with the Justice Coalition.
Doing God knows what.
With God knows who. Saving the world. Words are coming out, right? Like, noise happening.
If you'd like to know what we're doing, Channel 11 has excellent coverage. Oh, but watch Channel 7 instead. They have better lighting.
And you always look so good in it, dear.
I do.
Christy, however.
Mom!
I'm just saying, dear, tights don't cover everything. Either cut it or curl it.
I have higher priorities than shaving my legs.
Like what?
I literally saved the world constantly.
Look, seeing you two on the news is dandy, but we miss talking to you. And since you never answer our calls, we figured.
Wait a minute. You guys planned an entire bank robbery just so you could get our attention.
Sure did.
The whole thing was for us.
Maths and all.
Oh, because we miss you.
That's actually kind of sweet.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's pathological.
Oh, come on.
You're not having some sweet sentimental family moment over a felony. That sounds like a poorly written play. No.
Well, can you promise to try and keep in touch more?
We'll visit you every now and then.
Oh,
In prison.
what?
You guys literally robbed a bank. We're superheroes. How'd you think this was gonna end?
Well, it is a club theater play, so probably with a bad punch.
Oh, no, there's still time for them, dear. So many people their cakes. Like a cake. No, Jamie, it's funny. I won't stop. I like friends.